Morón's history dates back to 1915 when Colonel José Manuel Tarifa purchased the Troca rail line and began to assemble the Ferrocarriles del Norte railway line. Morón was chosen as the headquarters for the railway, and the town grew around the railway's maintenance shops and a large central station. As a result of this railway, Morón became the hub of a network of branch lines and sugar lines, which led to the expansion of sugar plantations and centralized sugar mills that were previously located mainly in the south and central part of Cuba. In the 1960s, a road was constructed through the marshland to the coast, and later in the 1990s, a man-made causeway was extended to Cayo Coco and Cayo Guillermo. This led to the construction of a number of hotels in the area, where many of the workers live in Morón and commute to work in specially provided buses.
José Martí is a national hero. He was one of the guys